Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you some new colors from Venalisa what I'm get. Also I get some gift, that's color card from Venalisa gel polishes. So I have beautiful colors. Also I want to show you the colors how look in real lights, because on the website some colors look different. Example, maybe this color 942 or 940, that's this color 942, and I will show you how it look. So that's beautiful purple color, and now I show you how look on the website. So that's 949, 942. So on the website look like this, maybe like blue purple, so, and in real look so, as you can see, and it's different, you see. So that's look different, it's very nice. So if you want to order, so you can see now I show you all colors how it look. Also I will show you all other colors what I have already, how it look, and about the color 940, just a second, that's this one 940 I have here. And where is it? It's here. So as you can see, and here how look. I'll show you. It's purple as well, but just different now. And again on the web page. So it's different. So that's the color 940, also nice purple. Then I have here this color, that's just, let me see what color is it. So that's color 949, so that's this color. Also show you how look on the web page. That's look similar. So that's the color. It's nice beige. So again, $949. So next color what I get, that's color 904. That's this color 904. light pink, beautiful. Next is this orange color, and this is color 907. Can see, look same like here, 907. Next one is this color. I think it's 909. It's a little bit dark. Yeah, that's 909. Also nice. So, let me see how it look on the web page. No, just find it. So on the web page look like this. 909. That's in real. Also look different. And again here. As you can see. And the next color is 929. That's this color. 929. So that's in real light. So 929. That's it about the new colors. So guys, that's all colors what I have in this time. As you can see, just starting from 901 like this. I miss this color and many more, so 903 this color. So they have many beautiful colors. So they have altogether in this time 60 colors. And guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you wish to order some colors, this color card showing real how it look. So because don't watch exactly on the website showing different. So you can see here how it look. I don't using now any light. Beautiful colors. So guys, that's all from today video, and if you wish order some color, it's a best time. I think it's starting now because it's a big sale. you can go to the website. I will leave a link in the description box, and you can watch. There are some beautiful colors. They have a special price now. It's for 127, and usually it's that 260 is wrong, because usually it's price about 150 or 160. So you can order now. It's already the sale. I think will be until tomorrow. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.